How to convert PDF to Excel in C#. No more copy pasting. Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. With Spire.PDF for .NET, you turn complex PDF tables into working Excel files, completely independent of Microsoft Office. Watch the left PDF and the right output Excel example. The quick and dirty way? Just 3 lines. Instantiate, load PDF, and save to XLSX. Every PDF page becomes a separate Excel sheet. Done. If you need to control the layout of the output Excel file, use XLSX Line Layout Options class. These 4 Boolean parameters give you precise control. Just inject them via Set PDF to XLSX Options, then save. Here's what each parameter does. 1. Convert to multiple sheet. False fuses all pages into one giant sheet, ideal for analytics. 2. Rotated text. Whether to preserve and show the rotated text. 3. Split cell. Whether to split a multi-line PDF table cell into separate Excel rows. 4. Wrap text. Whether to enable text wrapping within Excel cells to prevent overflow. Why choose Spire.PDF? 3 facts. First, Zero Dependencies runs on Windows, Linux, or Mac without Office. Second, blazing batch speed handles thousands of PDFs. Third, pixel-perfect fidelity, complex invoices keep their exact logic. Start trying right now. Open NuGet and type install package Spire.PDF. Or download the Spire.PDF DLL files and get a free trial in the description. Like and subscribe for more sharp C# tricks. See you next time.